I am of the view that in Brahmaputra, more than 70% water are indigenous. The Brahmaputra gets most of the water from Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, and the rainwater and other waters from our state itself. So there is a two scientific view. Flows is disturbed by China, then there may be less water, and consequently biodiversity will be affected. But there is a counter view that if less water comes, it will also act as a flood cushioning. So I don't know which is correct, but Government of India is better judge. So Government of India will take a call on this, and I am sure that Government of India must be already having discussion with China, or they will have China. They will have discussion with China. But immediately, I am not worried, because Brahmaputra is a mighty river, and it